Okay, it's good. Now I put my camera back onto my helmet and I'm going towards Tawang. Look at that lake on my left. It's all frozen. That is Sela Lake. One truck is coming. I have to stop him because on my left it's all black ice. If I go from that side, I'll surely fall down. Ah, shit, man. This guy is not stopping. Look at that view, guys. Isn't it amazing? So good. Here road is good. There is no black ice. Better keep the road like this only. Should not do black topping, otherwise you'll be so slippery. Now I'm going towards Tawang side. After covering around 1 kilometer, I'll return back to Sela Pass. Since I'm not going to Tawang, I just want to see Tawang's road. And today I'm fortunate enough because there is no snowfall. But at afternoon I'm sure there will be snowfall because back there in Shillong I saw the weather forecast for today. But who cares about snowfall if you have this kind of view? Come on, look at this view. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Holy shit! What is this, man? What will you call this? For me this is heaven, man. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Look at this, man. I have no words to express this beauty. Shit, man. I'll stop here. I'll make it till here. And I need to deflate my tire, especially the front tire. Oh shit, man, everything is frozen though. Okay, now it's good. Okay, fine. Whew. Now I will ride on the snow. I always wanted to ride on the snow. At my hostel I was watching video how to ride on the snow. But first I will try with my foot. I hope I won't fall down. It's slippery, yeah. Yeah, nice. Oh. Wow. Wow, man. What an experience. I'll go to Sela Lakeside later. That time I'll experience more. Now I'll turn from here. I'll return from here. Earlier I was deflating my tire because in the YouTube I watched if you deflate your tire, if you decrease your tire pressure, grip on the snow is better. So I'm trying. But I don't know till what extent it will help me. I don't know. Oh my god. Look at that. So beautiful. I hope my GoPro is doing justice to this beautiful place. Oh my god. Today I will use my GoPro to the fullest. That's why I spent so much money here. I spent 37,000 for this camera. If it doesn't do the justice, I'll throw it away. This roller. Can you hear the crackling sound of snow? It's so nice, man. There is one road on this mountain. I'll go to that road later. And if I could not come back, I'll buy some men and ask them to carry this bike back to Dirang. Just kidding. The only word left with me is oh my god. I forgot my sunglasses. What the Now I realize after seeing this reflection from snow, I need to go back here. Shit, man. Horn, please, horn. I cannot see you though. So slippery again. Oh man. I hope they didn't pick up. If they picked up, I'm gone, man. Without sunglasses here, it's no, man. You cannot survive here. Reflection is too powerful. I don't know why my mind is like this, man. Always forgetting again and again and again. And I am going from this side again. If I go from this side, I'll surely fall down. I should go from other side. It's because of hypoxia or what? I feel like it's there. I hope that didn't pick up. Yes, it's here. Yeah, it's here. Thanks, man. Thanks. Now I won't turn. I just turn like this. Whew. Ayya. I hope you can hear me because this thing is making too much noise, and this bike is not for this kind of adventures. Time and again I'm telling you, especially at altitude like Sela Pass. But my respect to Yamaha engine, it never broke down so far. So I kept her name as Basanti. Today Basanti will outperform this harsh weather. On my right, look at that lake, it looks like cloud. It's all frozen. At center there is a small portion where it's not frozen, it's semi-frozen. Now at Sela Pass I'll have noodles, but when I was doing research for this journey, I saw a video where noodles were very costly at this place. It was around 200 for 4 Maggi. I don't know whether it is true or not, but I saw like that only. I hope it's not like that. If it's like that, so it'll burn hole in my pocket there. After that I'll go this side. No, before that I'll go this side and come back and have some noodles and chai. Look at these guys. Salute to these guys, especially these ladies. Where other people get hypoxia, these ladies are working at this altitude. These are army personnel. Respect to them also. They are serving our nation at this kind of harsh environment. How's the Joes? Hi sir. Now snow's directly flying into my eyes. I'm wearing sunglasses fortunately. Otherwise you are gone, man. ज़्यादा बर्फ़बारी होने से पहले मैं यहाँ से निकल जाऊँगा. Until then I'll be here enjoying every moment because this moment won't come again. और मुझे यहाँ पहुँचने के लिए इतना तकलीफ़ों का सामना करना पड़ा, इसीलिए मैं हर मोमेंट एंजॉय करूँगा. और अगला साल नहीं, 2-3 साल बाद मैं फिर से यहाँ में आऊँगा. तब मैं DSLR भी लाऊँगा और GoPro भी 3-4 लाएगा. But now I'm budget constrained because I'm a student, man. From where I'll get that much of money? Cannot ask from parents also because this is not for academic purpose. They won't give only. Actually you should go from that side, that is safe area. These all are black ice where I'm riding. Welcome to Sela Pass. This is your main entrance. Oh, see. Prahari cafeteria. If anybody is there having Instagram, I'll ask them to take pictures of mine and send me to Instagram, and I will use it as my thumbnail. Sela Pass 13,700 feet above the sea level.
बहन को थोड़ा ये सीनरी थोड़ा बेसन था, भूल गया थोड़ा कैसे करते बेसन था हमने.
हाँ
अभी जो हम फोटो खींचे थे ना यहाँ में.
आपको बहन का नंबर कहाँ है?
ये वाला फोटो बेसन था हमको ना.
कौन सा वाला?
ये वाला, ये थोड़ा ब्रेक में वाला ना.
आपका पास इंस्टाग्राम है?
जी
इंस्टाग्राम यूज़ करता है?
मालूम नहीं, ये नए फ़ोन कर ये वाला हम
ये वाला भेजना है ना
जी. ये बेचने
शेयर करके. कहाँ कौन सा आपका है ना? नेट स्लो है ना यहाँ
जी.
Now I'll go to that side, lake side. चलो. So this is the way. Vijay Kampa 16 kilometers. It's all of black ice. First time experience in snow riding. Let's add some music. We travel because distances and differences are the secret tonic of creativity. When we get home, home is still the same. But something inside our mind has changed, and that changes everything. Life is too short to worry about stupid things. Have fun, fall in love, do what makes you happy, and don't let people bring you down. I'm sorry to interrupt, but like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to click the bell icon and tell me your stories in the comment section. सावधानी हाथी दुर्घटना गति. So we must be very careful here. This is a piece of cake for me, experienced rider. People are already here, eh? I don't know. Hi. Ooh. That is Sela Lake on my right. This is black ice. Wow. So this is not the end. Okay. From here. It's all out black ice. Now I'm riding over the black ice. I'm giving you warning that you should never come in this place alone. It's very risky. Till now I'm getting the grip, but anytime I may lose the grip. But I think my tire is doing the charm because I reduce the pressure, and once I reach a lower altitude I will increase the pressure again. Never touch your brake, never touch your clutch in this kind of area. Engage in one gear and keep moving. Not one gear, maybe second gear also is more depending on your vehicle. So as I have already told you, from here I'll be returning back to lower altitudes like Tenga Valley or Rupa. I'm feeling sad because I couldn't make it to Tawang. I could have, but I don't wanna, because I don't wanna waste so much of time here. 3-4 days. Still I'm wasting 3 days. If I go to Tawang, maybe I'll waste 5 days. So my parents will be very, very anxious. So I'll return from here. So it is snowing. See, I don't think you will see in the GoPro, but It is snowing. It is started snowing. Oh. See? It's all ice, black ice. Slippery. Wow. I think there's no road ahead of this. Oh, people are working, so. Oh, look at this, man. Oh, I wanted to go there, man. Let me try. Oh shit, man. I lose the grip. I lose the grip, man. Put it in first gear and let's go. Yeah. मरना देगा तो किस्मत में है तो मरेगा. What is here, man? Something is here. Whoa. Ah, no place, yeah. I don't waste too much of energy. Watch breath. Oh. हाँ आगे जाएगा सोचा था. जा नहीं सकेगा ना. हाँ यहाँ से घुमा लेगा. आप थोड़ा सा आगे कीजिए तो. So I better return from here. थोड़ा सा आगे, थोड़ा सा 1 meter. Thank you. Physical fitness so much required in this kind of environment. Oh, look at that. Wow. I'll stop here for a while. Woo. They're walking. DRO. DRO means Border Road Organization. Oh man. I think which road? I don't know which road is this. Whew. Oh my god. हाँ तावांग जाएगा सोचा था लेकिन नहीं जाएगा. अभी यहाँ से रिटर्न हो जाएगा. तावांग नहीं यहाँ से रिटर्न हो जाएगा. आवाज दे रहा है तो भी ये तो तावांग का रूट नहीं है. हाँ यहाँ में आया है क्योंकि यहाँ से रिटर्न हो जाएगा. समझा. है। ये जगह का नाम क्या है?
itu Chaprila.
चपड़ीला।
Chaprila ni pocah betul Chaprila ni betul.
Right now I am here in near Chaprila. हाँ, आज तो बहुत बर्फ होगा लग रहा है। वेदर में देखा था इसे। Battery is around 50%. Time to go back. So,
कहाँ जा रहा है?
तवांग के लिए जा रहा था, लेकिन यहाँ से रिटर्न हो जाएगा, क्योंकि इसीलिए ये साइड में आया थोड़ा देखने के लिए। मेरा फ़ोन खो गया ना असम में, शिलोंग से आया है, तो अभी फैमिली से कांटेक्ट नहीं कर सकता है, तो उसका वजह से रिटर्न चला जाएगा। चलो लेट्स रोल बैक। ये क्या कौन सा रास्ता है?
ये यहाँ पे जाने से हम लोग तवांग भी पहुँच जाएगा। तवांग भी जा सकते हैं।
यहाँ से तवांग भी जा सकते हैं?
जा सकते हैं, लेकिन मतलब ये बाइक लेके जाने का रास्ता नहीं।
अच्छा, गर्म दिन में होगा ना रास्ता? गर्मी में होगा रास्ता?
हाँ, गर्मी में जा सकते हैं।
अच्छा, लेकिन रोड खराब है ना?
तो अभी नए बन रहे हैं।
अभी बना रहे, वो अलकतरा वो सब लगा रहा है ना?
ये तो अभी क्या लगेगा, ये बेक कटिंग हो रहा है, डबल कटिंग।
ओह, अच्छा अच्छा,
यहाँ से बहुत दूर पड़ेगा लेकिन तवांग से।
दूर है ये ना तवांग का रोड? यहाँ से तो नीचे जाने के बाद फिर बर्फ नहीं मिलेगा ना?
यहाँ से आपको थोड़ा नीचे तक मिलेगा ये, लेकिन रोड में तो नहीं है।
रोड में नहीं है, नीचे तक गया था, नीचे से नीचे में जाके वापस आया ना। तो नहीं, नीचे में नहीं गया, ऊपर में था लगता है।
कहाँ अब तवांग
जा रहा था, रिटर्न हो गया।
हाँ, कहाँ जा रहा है?
अभी पता नहीं, रुपा नहीं तो टेंगा वैली, जहाँ शाम हो जाएगा वहाँ में रुक जाएगा।
अरुणाचल का है?
हाँ, अरुणाचल का ही है, लेकिन रहता शिलोंग में, तो अभी थोड़ा छुट्टी मिला था।
यहाँ तवांग में एक हड्डी का डॉक्टर है।
हाँ,
वो सेम आपको डॉक्टर जैसे दिखेगा।
और
डॉक्टर साहब होगा वो देखते
और मेरा और तवांग में भी दोस्त है, बहुत सारा लोग है, सीनियर भी है, और डॉक्टर भी, ENT का डॉक्टर भी है, जिसको हम मालूम है, लाम दुर्जी बोल के।
वो डॉक्टर मेगू बोल के एक है ना?
मेगू वो तो मालूम नहीं, मेगू तो आदि होगा शायद
ऐसे ही कुछ होगा।
हाँ, हम भी आदि ही है। हाँ, वो डॉक्टर लाम दुर्जी वो पहले था, हमको मेरा भैया बोलते हैं उसको हम, तो जाने से उन लोग को मिलना था, लेकिन यहाँ से रिटर्न हो जाएगा, नहीं होगा। तब तो ठीक है, चलता हूँ। सो स्नोइंग स्टार्टेड, लेट्स रोल बैक। Whoa. I did a great mistake. I put it in the second gear, never put it there. Climbing down is riskier than climbing up. ऐसा ही चलने से तिरंग में शाम हो गया। ब्रेक में हाथ नहीं लगाने का, टाइम नहीं लगाने। Till now I haven't fallen down even once. दोस्त होने से you have a partner, you can do much more adventures. But alone, if you are trapped to go, so better to return to the place. I will tell you my tricks later, how I prepared for this extreme weather. Because I'm not feeling cold here, I will tell you how I did. One last shot I want to take. Oh, it started snowing. I need to move on. See, now it is so foggy. So I did what I had to do. I'm very happy.